It's good news for heritage lovers as a nearly $9 million earthquake testing lab's been developed by the University of Canterbury, designed to help save some of the country's most historic buildings. The group will conduct shake tests on replica structures inside the lab to see how they would hold up in earthquakes and find ways to save more from being demolished. It's something they've been waiting for quite some time, with this multi-million-dollar quake testing lab taking shape. The nearly $9 million facility will allow structural engineers to gauge a realistic picture of buildings in practical form, testing structures with different speed and intensity. The Structural Engineering Associate Professor says it's become a necessity since the Christchurch earthquakes.
The earthquakes have really allowed us to get the support of the university to build something which will allow us to test realistic size structures at realistic speeds so that we can really understand the earthquake problem and make better engineering decisions.
The University of Canterbury have a similar lab, but it's much smaller, only allowing parts of buildings or scaled down versions to be tested, giving some unrealistic results. But now they're thinking big.
Inside is a big, strong concrete wall with a very big, strong concrete floor.
The walls are just over 9 metres high, all made of reinforced concrete that is close to 1.5 metres thick, allowing 3-storey buildings or structures to be built inside.
And they are then pushed with big forces backwards and forwards to represent the sort of demands and actions caused by a major earthquake.
Labs like this one are used overseas, but this will be the biggest in New Zealand. It'll not only benefit the Canterbury rebuild, but the whole country. It can test anything from solid structures to bridges. And it's straight to work when the lab's up and running, with a year and a half's worth of tests already logged in.